Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to change your additional name on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update. If you've been trying to adjust or update the way your name appears, this quick walkthrough will make the process easy and clear. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is where all your personal account settings can be managed. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a full settings page where LinkedIn allows you to manage everything related to your account. From here, you'll need to go into the section called Account Preferences. This is where you'll find details about your LinkedIn profile and personal information. Now, under the Profile Information category, look for the option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Go ahead and click on it, and it will open up a page showing your current information. Within this section, you'll notice an area labeled Additional Name. This feature is designed specifically for adding or updating names like nicknames, maiden names, or any other version of your name you'd like people to see on your profile. Simply click into that field and type in the new additional name you want displayed. Once you've entered your updated name, make sure to click the Save button to confirm the changes. This is an important step. Otherwise, your new name won't be applied to your profile. And that's all it takes. You've successfully changed your additional name on LinkedIn using the PC app with the latest update. It only takes a few clicks, and it's a great way to make your profile reflect the exact name you want others to see. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and try updating your profile now to keep it polished and professional.